All right, this is AP Stats, and let me share the whole screen. And this is, let's see, assignment 41, chapter 9-1, and I was going to make a video about this activity. It's about the confidence interval, and also, actually, it's not confidence interval. This is a hypothesis test and significant test. So activity 1, there is a example of the boy who claimed his free throw rate is 80%, right? I guess somewhere we had a picture of him. And where is that? Oh, right here. Okay, so in our class, we had activity, just do the one this activity which shows how many points, and F is for fail. So now we count our sample data. So it's, I think this is, one of them is period 1, the other one is period 6, and one dot represent from the 50 samples, right? And the free throw rate. And this is, one of them is period 7, one was period 6. So this is when we create the statement of the hypothesis test, we did this one. So, but one of the activities I skipped because I couldn't open during the class was this one. So let me follow this. It's we open this and set the applet to 25 shots. So let me open the 25 whole screen. This is whole screen. And this is the website was, this is a website. So I chose 25, and and they will simulate 25 shots here. So the first shot they couldn't make it, so it starts from 0. Second one made it, so it's going to be 50. And third one, fourth one, and go to 25. So it's now this is misses too many, right? So let's see. So let's do, it's supposed to do 50, so I do 50. This is not good. I wonder if I could set at 80%, because it doesn't look like 80%. It's 50-50 now. If it's 50-50 on this graph, it's going to be counted. 50% is going to be here. It's impossible. So it might be not, this probability is not set. Most likely 80%. Let me see if I can choose something. The one before it was 80%. Let me find a new shooter. So let's see. Oh, this guy is okay. Whoa, this 100%. Look, this guy is really good. So it's a depend on the shooter. Okay, now this kid is 96% for so far. So let's see. If I do 20, wow, this is like LeBron James. So wow, this is as you see, it's 94 and 6, so 94%. So this might be, this kind of kid is, the free throw rate is right here. This is too extreme on this way. So let me choose one more shooter. So this this is not a good basketball player, I guess. It's like me. So it's 28%. So let me see one more. One more means 25 more. Oh, kept missing. Yeah, it's 20%. So if, let me see, the probability goes to 30%. It's, oh, I guess we have to guess that what's the probability. So if I can, wonder if I can set this one to new shooter. Set the probability. Okay, so this is around here. I would choose new shooter. Oh, that's 80%. So let's see. So this is a kind of kid. So I noticed if I hit this button, I could see the probability of the shooter. So let me see. So this is the kind of the kid. Who is this kid? Let me see. I will show the photo of that kid right here. So he claimed he has 80% shooting rate. So I will simulate here. Okay. Oh, very good. All right, so far it's 20, 25 shots. It said 29. I don't know why, but 5 shots. This is the ratio. Okay, so I do one more time, which is 24, 25 more time, and you see this one. Okay, this 70. So this one I can count. So I can go to this site, and I will count this one. Maybe I will change the color to maybe blue. Okay. So it says 70, so I will highlight this on 70 right here. It's kind of low, but this is one of the distribution, okay? So I should find a new player. I will just check the probability. Oh, it's 80% again, this guy. So I will start doing again, 25 times. All right, so this is 72%. Okay, I do once again. And 25 times again. Okay, again, 70%. It's going to be right here, right? Right, so I do one more time. So new shooter. Sorry, new shooter. I will have to see the probability. This guy is too low, so I will go to new shooter. Probability is really low, so I go to new shooter. Oh, 80% again. So let me see if we can hit this one. Even though his probability is 80%, this time is really way above, which is 88. So I do 25 more. Oh, good. He's doing really good. All right. Okay, he kept very high, so 88, so it goes here. 88 is 82, 84, 86, 88 right here. It's okay. So now we did this one at the classroom, so it's very rare chance. Actual, his shooting, this kid's shooting was 64. So how rare is that? So we talked about the classroom, and if you have any question about what I just did, just visit my office hours and we can go over. So this is kind of rare chance. And if it's null hypothesis equal to the proportion equal to p hat equal to 80, not the p hat, I'm sorry. mu equal 80, right? So the probability of p equal 80 because it's a probability. So let's see. Where was the question that we created? Basketball question was right here. Yeah, p equal 80. And the other one is p is null hypothesis is p equal 80. Alternative hypothesis p is less than 80. And if I claim alpha level, I wonder if you remember significant level. If maybe the typical one, if make it 0.05, which is the cutoff line here. Here, if this, the 5% might be cutoff line might be here, right? So if you hit here, you know, I don't know what the cutoff line is, but we might have to think this is, let's see, so it's going to be less than this one, right? Okay, now let's create the statement. If its alpha level is 0.05, which might be in this cutoff line. How do you find the alpha level? Okay, is we have to create, this is, we have to assume this is normal model. Okay, and I will open, and so the p equals 0.8. What's the standard deviation, right? And we have a 400 set of 50 shots. So it's random. Okay, it might be random, right? And so this is, if you remember how you get standard deviation 0.8, that's a success times failure 0.2 and divide by 400. Okay, so this is standard deviation. Okay, now let's calculate this. Okay, so let's see, let me clean up here. Square root, first up to 0, parenthesis, 0.8 times 0.2 and close, divide by 400. 0.02. So standard deviation is 0.02. Okay. So 0.02, 0.02. So 0.02. So yeah. Now let's think about 0.02 with standard deviation. Okay, alpha level is 5 cutoff line here for one side, right? Okay, so let me see what I can do here. Let me clean up. I keep this equation. So second, distribute, invert norm because normal model, right? Area is 0.05, okay? So it's only one side, right? Mu is 0.8. standard deviation is 0.02. So they will show where the cutoff line is. Okay, 0.76. So let me clean up this level here. 0.0, I'm sorry, let me bring this window here. 0.77 actually. 0.77 is a cutoff line for 5%. So let me highlight this one. So it's more than I thought. It's going to be 7.72, 74, 76, right here. So if you cut alpha level is 0.05, if your distribution is here, you have to honor this one. So your conclusion is it's reject null hypothesis, which is you reject this one and you honored, or you have a favor of alternative hypothesis. Okay, so this is the end of the video. So I will make one more video about potato questions, potato chip company question. Okay, so I will get back to you this weekend. All right, have a nice weekend.